morning everyone. On this Friday morning, I'm here in the parkland again, and somewhat windy, expecting more rain. But at the moment, as you can see, currently southwest towards Geelong, it's wind and cloud. We mainly see swinging to the south, Flinders and Hastings, southeast, Wonthaggi, versus Promontory, east, Warragul, Lakes Entrance, New Zealand, north-east, Myrtleford, Yakandanda, Wodonga, Sydney, Brisbane, north, Dubbo, and finally the northwest, Thailand. I'll let the runners get through. It's a very cloudy day at the moment, but expecting more rain to be heavier maybe later today or tomorrow. So I'll say once again, thanks for watching Satu Krap, and bye for now, and enjoy your Friday in whatever way you may and can.